Okay, today I'm just going to do a quick demo on the AM medium wave antenna that we actually make. And I'm going to use this medium wave antenna that you actually hang, and then, it's got two wires that you connect at the back of the hi-fi or portable radio or wherever, socket you have on your receiver. Of course, I'm just going to, for a quick demo, I'm going to use a little AM radio over here, a very small one. It's actually very dear to me. It's made by Panasonic. It has got a built-in TV, FM, AM, and so on. So I'm going to use the AM, band. And I'm going to try to use 702. Now, we make various antennas. We make this one here in a sort of fair strength areas, to be able to get any sort of AM on your hi-fi or portable radio. Then, of course, we make also this contraption. Now, it looks very strange, looks like a wheel, but it's a perfectly, and you will see it just now, where we actually tune the frequency. It has no batteries, no wires, connections to any other sort of antennas or whatever, and we're just going to bring it closer to the set, and you will see how it actually enhances the and how selective it is with a with this tuning knob. And then, of course, the third one that we make is actually a long wire. Which actually goes outside for, sometimes in certain areas the signal is so bad that you have to use the outside antenna, bring the signal inside. And then, of course, I have got a special converter here to match the impedance down to 50 ohm. Now, this particular little set unfortunately doesn't have a socket that you can plug in, but nonetheless, I'll demonstrate how inductively I will actually transfer the signal from the outside antenna. Okay, this is just a ground wire, and this is the actual antenna that actually goes. It's called a random wire antenna, which is quite powerful sort of antenna. So, yeah, let me switch on the radio over here, which is 702 on the AM band. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just basically a noise. Very hard to understand. So, now what I'm going to do is, okay, let me just put it softer. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and use the outside antenna. Okay, now let me just, okay. All right. I did fit the socket. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm connecting basically my long wire antenna with the matching stub that matches it up from high impedance, down to 50 ohm. Okay, let me just, okay. So now I have got the antenna. Now let's switch on again. I don't know if you can hear it. 702, very bad. Now I'm bringing the antenna closer. I'm going to remove it now. It's basically just a noise. Can you see? It becomes intelligible. In other words, random antenna brings the signal inside, and this other antenna inductively transfers the actual signal onto the radio. Now let me remove it. there is no signal. I removed it. Now let me bring it again.
Jesus has pulled us out of the kingdom of darkness into the kingdom of light.
Good.
Into the Lord has called
Let me
us
remove.
out into the kingdom of His Son. If we don't understand that Jesus is the
Okay, that's one antenna. Now let me, well, two antennas that I have demonstrated basically. One would be the random antenna, okay, with the grounding, whatever, and then it would be this one here. And all of them to varying strength. Now let me show you this magic wheel, okay, which inductively, okay. So I'll bring it over there. Now listen to it. I'm tuning it. Can you see? I'm tuning. Okay, let me do this. Okay.
And that is why the Lord has visited and said, this is the beginning of month to you. This is a reset. This is a new way that you're going to live. You're going to come out of what you used to, this life of slavery, what you're accustomed to, serving other people, to your
Perfect
life
sound.
that I am taking you to. So that is why Passover is so important.
Perfect sound.
We must understand this
On this small
Passover
little
lamb
radio.
that was
Okay,
slain for
now
us.
watch when I remove the wheel.
Now need to do about
Okay.
that. What do we need to do about putting
Watch
our
when
faith in Him? And that finished work that He did on the cross, what does it now mean for my current reality?
Now watch me bring the wheel.
It must mean something to me today. It can't just be a story I'm narrating about the past.
Clear.
It must be.
So that's a quick demo of basically,
When this Passover was instituted, death passed
you know, our antennas that we actually make.